Okay, so now we're going to do materials. So I'm going to start by just selecting my mountain, just for a good starting spot, and I'm just going to add several blank material slots by just clicking this plus button up here. The first one, we're going to go new. I'm going to double click it. I'm going to call it brown. I'll grab the next one, say new, double click it, or call it green. Next one, new, double click, we'll call this one blue. Next one, new, double click, call this one black. Next one, new, double click, dark gray. Next one, new, double click, light or medium gray. Next one, new, double click, light gray. Last one, new, double click, yellow. And as you can see, so now I have all those slots in my little drop down here. So I can actually come back up here to the top. Well, while I still have these here, I'm going to go to brown. I'm going to grab my base color. Let's move that up a little bit so I can see better. Okay, grab my base color. We're going to pull it down here, and we're going to make it a little darker. And now we have brown. I'll grab my green, click it, pull it over here to green, pull that down so it's a little darker. There's my green. Blue, I want this to be kind of a light blue. This will be used for the windows to reflect the, like the sky. Black. Usually don't ever want to make a full black. You just kind of back it off just a little bit. There's my black. Dark gray will be down pretty dark, just above black. Medium gray, just above that. Go there. And then light gray, just above that. That looks pretty good. The yellow, we'll just make it yellow. Okay. So right now my mountains and my grass are brown, so I want to assign. So now I can actually come up here and delete the rest of these because I'm not going to be using those. Well, I guess, oops, I deleted them all. So I want this to be brown. I also want to add a slot, and I'm going to choose green. But now I need to assign which polygons or which faces I want to be green, because right now they're all assigned to brown. And I want some of them to be green, so I'm going to hit 3 for polygon. I'm going to select just one of these. I'm going to go up to my select similar coplanar. That's everything that's on the same plane as the one that I selected. And then I'm just going to choose my green. I'm going to assign green to those polygons. So now when I come out, there we go. So now some of them are brown and some of them are green. Piece of cake. I think I'm going to make my rail black. I'm going to make my ties. Let's go ahead and make them brown. I'll make a lot of the train will be like dark gray. That part dark gray. Do this part dark gray. We'll do that medium gray. That one medium gray. Let's hide the ground. Control H to hide. You can even hide the rails. Just select them. Control H to hide. I'm going to make this, I'm going to pretend, well, that's actually not a light. Really. Actually, I don't think any of these are. I'm going to make it a light because I think it looks cool. So here we go. I'm going to make that one yellow. I'm going to make these lights also just for gets and shiggles yellow. We'll make this one a medium gray. It's my train. I can do what I want. We'll make these ones light gray. These ones I'm going to make them black. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to make these windows will be blue. door, let's make that, oh, let's just make that black also. This one will be blue. I'm so blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue. Because those are windows. Alright, what do we got? We got tires. I'll make those. I'm going to make them black. And my axle's dark gray. Same here, black. My axle's dark gray. I'm going to make this connector black. Okay. Now what I can do is I can say, you know what, I don't want to sit there and do that to everything. I'm going to select this box, and this box, and this box, and this box. And then last but not least, I'll select the box that has the color that I want. And I'll come up to Object, Make Links, Materials. And that copied the material from the last item that I selected. So I selected the ones that I wanted to copy it to first, and then I selected the one that I wanted to copy from, and I'm holding down Shift key to do that. Then once I have everything selected, I can go Object, Make Links, Materials. So let's do the same with these. So that, and that, I want to be the same color as that. So I'll go Object, Make Links, Materials. Same with that, and that. I want to be the same color as that. Object, Make Links, Materials. So that and that, I want to be the same color as that. Object, Make Links, Materials. That will, that will. Oops, I grabbed the wrong thing. Well, let me try doing it this way. That will, that will, that will, and we'll go select either one of these last. Object, Make Links, Materials, and then my axles. Select those ones. So remember, these are mirrors, so I don't have to select the one, and it's getting all of those axles, just like it did with the wheels. So that one, and then that one, and then select that one. Object, Make Links, Materials. See how much faster that went? So let's select that. So those are doors, so let's just select those windows. Shift those windows, shift that window. Object, Make Links, Materials. So that door, and that door, and that door. Look at it from this side, and that door to be the same as that door. Object, Make Links, Materials. So the nice thing about that is I don't have to sit there and try to remember, oh yeah, what color did I put on there? I can't remember. Well, I just want it to be the same as that door, so I'll just click it and say Make Link to that door. And there we go. Our train has materials on it. So let's Alt-H to unhide everything. Hit A to show it all. Whoop. We're getting closer. All right, rock and roll, buddy. Bye.